honestly, I've been excited to see this thing. Stand it up so nobody sees my address. So both of these boxes came in together. I have no idea who sent this. I emailed this company. This is from Alloyworks. This is the radiator that is for the S10 Blazer. We're going to open this up right now and I'll show it to you guys. And I also have a discount code for you that will be in the description down below of this video. And whenever we do the actual installation, I'll share that information with you guys once again. But this came with it. I sent them an email. I was like, hey, did you guys send this? And they're like, no, we only sent the one box. So I have no idea who this came from, where it came from. Whoever it is that sent it out, thank you. We're going to open that up right now as well. First, let's check out this radiator. Like I said, this is from a company called Alloyworks. They sent this radiator out. This is a replacement radiator specifically for a 1987 Chevy S10 Blazer. So it is going to bolt up the same as factory, but this is a 3-core radiator and it's all aluminum. Has a built-in shroud with the 2 electric fans. This thing is 3-core, so it is going to step up the cooling game, especially since we are now running an LS inside of the truck. We need a little bit better cooling. It's all aluminum, so it's good and strong. Has the built-in shroud, like I said, and 2 electric fans. They even send an entire wiring kit for the electric fans. So it has a relay, all the wiring, built-in fuse or inline fuse. This is a temperature sensor. So you could actually run this to a temperature sensor, in which I'm not sure exactly what temperature it comes on, but basically it's a temperature switch. So you tie this in somewhere on the engine, and it will set it. It's like an on and off switch that is powered by temp. You know what I'm saying? And then it'll automatically turn the fans and everything on, or you can just run it to a switch, which is probably what I am going to end up doing. Anyhow, huge shout out to them for sending this out. This is just an unboxing of it. I just wanted to show it to you guys. Obviously, I'll get into more detail of the installation and everything whenever we get to that point. But this is the radiator for our LS swapped S10 Blazer, man. I'm definitely stoked about it. It's going to look freaking dope inside of the engine bay, being all aluminum and shiny, you know what I'm saying? And being a 3-core radiator, it's designed to actually bolt into the factory spot that the radiator that came on the truck went. And it's not huge, bro. So I was worried about like the room that I have in order to fit a radiator, especially since this LS was from a Tahoe, so it has truck spacing. If you don't know what it is I'm referring to, is how far the actual crank pulley comes out. See, it comes way out here, so all of my accessories are spaced pretty far out. That is what they call truck spacing. There's also like F-body and like Corvette spacing and stuff, which is a lot further in, like it's a lot closer to the engine. So with the truck spacing, I need as compact of a radiator setup as I can get. I'm pretty sure this has it covered, man, and it freaking looks good. A billet freaking cap on it, that is sick, dude.